I'm just so annoyed.
Why?
Because all day I'm just on Instagram and it's just in and out after in and out after in and out. It's everywhere. And I'm just like looking at these animal style fries and I'm thinking, why do bad things happen to good people? Guys, this is what we're gonna do. I saw a bunch of videos, actually not a bunch, only 3, on how to make In-N-Out style fries using McDonald's fries. So today, right now, we're gonna make these fries, let you know if they're good. It's gonna be a mukbang, it's gonna be a cooking show, and it's gonna be great. I'm excited, let's go. We have to set up this kitchen. Okay, I'm laid out the containers. I wrote down the recipe of all my ingredients. Thank God I own all these things. I own as in my mother. But we have these in our fridge, so I'm gonna get them out and we're gonna put it on here. I'll link the video below where I got the inspiration and where I got this recipe from, so you guys can make it at home or you can just follow along. Okay, so let's go to the fridge. Love the magnets. Okay, mayo, ketchup, pickles. Okay, relish. It's all from here. Apple cider vinegar. We need salt. Not much salt in here. Yes. Salt, sugar, and pepper. Oh, I forgot mustard. It's almost go time, baby. I'm such a sauce girl that like my mouth is watering even thinking about like, where do measuring spoons go? This is a cup. We need a cup for show. Yeah, no, nothing in there. But I don't know where my mom keeps anything. What is this? 1 tablespoon, I need that. But I also need a teaspoon. What's a teaspoon?
Teaspoon's like half a tablespoon.
Is it?
A quarter maybe?
Yes.
What am I asking?
What is 1 teaspoon in tablespoon?
That would be 0.33
A third.
tablespoons.
One third.
So I'm just gonna fill it up 1/3. Let's just start with what we do have. Mayo. I need 1 cup of mayo. Oh my gosh.
Look at all of that mayo.
Look at all that mayo. Personally, this is a cup, right? Yes. I'm a huge mayo girl, and my roommate Haley, she also loves mayo, and we put mayo like on anything and everything. My mom's gonna need mayo, and she's gonna be like, where did all my mayo go? Do I even want to utilize these jars? Sounds like a lot of dishes.
It seems like a lot of extra effort.
Let's use a really simple plastic bowl. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Look at this freaking... This is my call to start a cooking channel. Next is 1 cup of ketchup. I need to see if there's more ketchup. Heinz is always coming through in my household. This is incredible. Okay, rude. Tablespoon. I need 4 tablespoons of pickles. I'm just using relish.
What is relish?
Pickles.
It's just like...
It's just probably like pickles that aren't as natural. 1.
Science and food with
2.
Maggie.
3. 4. Couldn't have it without the sound now, could we? 2 teaspoons of mustard, that's it. I'm gonna do a tablespoon of mustard.
Chef Maggie, no.
It's just dash of that, dash of this. I'm gonna do that. That's just not enough.
Cooking's supposed to be spontaneous and fun. You think they know the actual In-N-Out recipe?
Okay, next is 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 teaspoon sugar. Oh, teaspoon, frick me. I'm not even good at following the directions. alone. Estimation. I guess that means in a theory, I'm just filling this up totally with those 3 ingredients. You know what I'm saying? Because if it's a third.
Yeah, that's exactly what that means.
Sugar. Okay. Lastly is apple cider vinegar, and that's 2 teaspoons. So I'm gonna fill this like not all the way. This stuff stinks. Have you ever smelled this?
No.
Okay. Yeah.
You hold this.
Ugh.
I just drink this? What am I supposed to do? I just gotta whiff. I don't like that.
Pouring this. Okay, time to stir. Let's get that bread.
It's like we're at In-N-Out.
I'm gonna taste it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I've been watching this on YouTube for so long and now I'm gonna eat it. I can't even, what if it's not as good as everybody else's? Oh my gosh, that's so good. Oh my gosh, that's so good. This is so good. You wanna try it? Currently caramelizing onions. So just a disclaimer, just because I believe in honesty, my mom cut this onion. I'm really bad at onions. So shout out to my mom for cutting the onion. Look at that. I put a little bit of olive oil in there. Some EVOO, as Rachel Ray would say on the cooking show channel, please. Food channel? Food Network? What's it called? Let's go to McDonald's. Back with the fries. We got the cheese. I've heard very bad reviews about In-N-Out fries, which is why McDonald's. Just getting that all up in there. I'm just gonna put cheese on Arthur's side because I'm lactose intolerant.
Cheese.
So here we have very processed cheese. Sticking this right in there. Broil. Start. I don't know if I should have done high or low. Jazzy.
Not the time.
Jazzy. So Arthur's not usually the biggest fan of onions.
We'll have 2 different types of animal
We'll have
style
2
fries.
types of delish. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this day. Okay, I want a really good bite.
Let's do this here.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Are you ready? Set. Cheers.
Chink.
That is so good.
Pretty dank.
That is so good. Oh my gosh, this fry is so long. Oh my gosh. This is delicious. Guys, I don't even know what to say. The hype is real. This is so delicious. I can't believe I actually followed through on this. I'm actually shook. The amount of things, guys, that I say I'm gonna do in my life and don't follow through on And I actually made this. I took the effort. And it was so worth it. Do you like the cheese?
Yeah.
I think I could bathe in this sauce.
Yeah, I don't know if I could do that. But definitely eat it. There's a similar, I put it in the same genre maybe. It's Chick-fil-A sauce, what would you say?
Same genre?
Like if sauces had a genre.
I would not put in Chick-fil-A's genre.
Where would you put Chick-fil-A?
Would you put it like in its bracket?
Yeah. Like in its genre.
No. But genre means it's like similar. It's so different.
Really?
But, like, it's in
nothing's
the
like
same-
Chick-fil-A sauce,
it's-
nothing's like this.
Yeah, but it's like in the same bracket and like they could compete. I'm sure different people would like this better. You know?
Yeah.
I wouldn't say genre though.
Okay, you're smarter than me. Curious to
Excuse me.
see how my stomach feels after this.
It will feel some type of way. Well, when you really think about it though, it's just a large fry. And you've eaten a large fry on your own.
Yeah.
You know? And the sauce, you dip sauce. Onions,
Not this
onions,
much sauce.
onions, a vegetable.
Not this much sauce. I like the way you think.
I wonder if we could recreate Chick-fil-A sauce. Find a recipe and like make it ourselves.
Maybe.
I know I just gave her a little foreshadowing on my Instagram story that I was gonna do this. Shout out if you've come from Instagram. See how much we've devoured this?
Oh my god.
I'm so full.
I
I'm gonna have a
too.
heart attack, I think.
I'm full.
I keep eating though.
I'm like ready to pass out. I'm food combed.
I know. My final words to you guys. This was well worth the effort, in my opinion. What would you think?
I excuse me.
Excuse me.
I
sir.
would say I just wish they had the sauce packaged already. We should sell
This.
this.
Oh my god.
If anyone wants to just package this and sell this as their own sauce, you're gonna be a millionaire. If you want to make it yourself, go for it. You won't be disappointed. If there's a McDonald's nearby, you recommend that. But try it out with other ones like Chick-fil-A, and let us know what you think
Yeah,
of
if
that.
you guys know of a Chick-fil-A sauce recipe, you want us to make it,
That, but also I was saying if they try it with different types of fries, let us know if it's also good.
oh,
yeah.
I know what you're saying.
Yeah. I
I need
feel
to
like
stop.
I'm pregnant.
I feel like I'm pregnant too.
I feel like I'm purging that.
Pregante.
Pregante.
I'm dying.
Such a little chef this one is.
Guys, at the end of it all, I really came through. Really came through. So, thanks for sticking around. We'll see you next time. Peace.
Also, be on the lookout for some Oreo vids. Alright, peace.
Ooh.